In this video, we will show you how to replace your front door window sweep on this Ford F-150. This will be mounted to your front door. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing I'll mention is we need to have the window fully down. Aside from that, this job will be easiest if you have a window sweep removal tool. For this tool, it needs to make its way down along the window sweep, but on the outboard side of the window. Let's have a quick look at our brand new window sweep. I'm going to turn this around so we can look from the back side. Now as for this tool, it would be sliding in. That hooked area is going to grab onto the window sweep, and then we're going to start pulling this up and away, rolling it from the rearward side first, and then end up pulling it out from behind the front mirror. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. We have our specialty tool here. We're going to carefully slide this behind the window sweep on the outboard side of the window glass. It's extremely important to make sure you're in the proper area. Now once you have this pressed down, typically you're going to hear an audible click, and then you should be able to lift it up, and it's going to be stuck. Now we'll go ahead and lift this up and remove the window sweep from the door. Start separating this. Now we're paying attention close to the mirror. The window sweep actually makes its way just a tiny bit behind this mirror. So let's just go ahead and slide it straight out rearward. There it is, friend. Now I have a clean rag and some glass cleaner. Let's go ahead and clean up the mating surface. We're going to give the door a thorough inspection, confirming nothing's rotted, weak, or damaged in any way. Obviously, we don't want to scratch any paint. We just want to make sure this is nice and clean. Now that we have that cleaned, let's prepare to install our window sweep. The first thing we want to do is pay attention to each side. On the rearward side, we have this capped area. On that same side, you also have one locking ear. The other side is just going to have a small piece of rubber which slides in and behind our mirror. This is the area that we're going to start, and then we'll continue making our way rearward. We're pressing this in as far as possible, up against the door as well, and we'll start running it all the way towards the rear side here. We're just pressing this in. Now as I start bringing this down, I like to press it towards the inside of the door here. We're trying to get the upper lip of the door to go along the channel of the window sweep. Okay, this is pressing in pretty well here. We just need to make sure everything's properly aligned as we continue on. Just tap that down. I heard an audible click from our locking tab. Just a couple more light taps all the way around, double checking to make sure we're properly secured. Now that we have everything back together, let's make sure we have the key in the on position, and we're going to test the functionality of our window, confirming it goes up and down as necessary. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.